Krásne dobré ráno. Máme deň číslo 2 v Portugalsku, v Porte, tak poďme na výlet. Tak, tá naša prvá dnešná atrakcia je Free Tour, kde si pozrieme 2,5 hodiny mesto s nejakým tourguidom a potom pôjdeme asi k oceánu, to ešte nevieme. Môžete tu vidieť na námestí kostoľ, tam máme fontánu, tam nejakú historickú budovu, tam vzadu ďalke môžete vidieť ďalší kostol.
Is this your first time in Porto? Yes. Very good, awesome. Just Porto so far, or are you gonna be in any other experiences while in Spanish or both, like the H in English? It's quite interesting because both languages are 86% exactly the same. It's a tiny city, has roughly 41 kilometers square, right? So it is quite tiny. From the Lion Square where we met, if you walk 5 kilometers in any direction, you are already outside of the city of Porto. It's a tiny, tiny city. But that little city used to belong to the Papal State for almost 300 years. So every 100 meters, there is a church. So yeah, we have many to choose from. I'm gonna recommend you 3 mainly, because they are practical, close by. The cathedral, in my opinion, is a must. The Church of Mercy, because it has a proper religious museum that is gorgeous. And then the Cleric Church, because it's kind of interesting, right? Those 3, nice. Anything else you want to do, it's on you and Essex. We got many good churches, but I'm not going to recommend you to go to all these 100 churches in Porto. So, But that's what we got with the hidden apartment. It was not really in a house, but it became kind of a shelter for them to use. And you can check it out if you go over there for the ride. They would allow you to do that, no stress. And you will realize that in between the secret house in the back, there is a secret passage that you cannot open. So it's like, come on, so close. Well, now you know about that. Let me get you around the city.
My už máme po Free Tour, teraz ideme k oceánu, k Atlantickému, idem to skúsiť. Možno sa aj okúpem. Tak po 20 minútach autobusom sme pri mori, pri Atlantickom oceáne. Tak, ja vás vítam pri majaku, pri Atlantickom oceánu, pri poslednom západe slnka v roku 2024. Áno, 2024. Ešte sa pozrieme na pobrežie Porta. Alebo teda mestská časť. Tu máme rieku, respektíve oceán, a tamto ide smerom do mesta hlavná rieka. Od majaku sme sa dostali do centra a pred nami môžete vidieť nejakú atrakciu, hudbu, tak sa tam ideme pozrieť, tam ma to láka. Tak nám už skončili silvestrovské oslavy. Nečakane bol ohňostroj a teraz šlapeme na hotel, kde ideme spať a za pár hodín ideme toto mesto spoznávať zás a znova.